For me, a lot of the tree climbing aspect of it was really new. With 10 years of experience in silviculture, I knew if I wanted to get more into the arboriculture industry, I had to come and learn a little bit more about the sciences of it with the job experience. And this was a great blend of that, with being able to practice climbing, but also learning about the trees and the defects behind it. 10 years ago, when I showed up straight out of high school for outdoor adventure, I took ecology with some of the same teachers that I had this year. And it was really good just to take it, learn about it, but then in the past 10 years to put it into practice and really see more than just, like you said, when you see a tree, it's a tree. There's a lot more going on. It's the marriage of environment with ecology really has its own voice and its own story that you have to learn how to read, from going from the soil to the roots to the fungi to the mushrooms to even looking at the crown. Like, we are anchoring pretty high up in the canopy, like you said, and if you're anchoring into a unrated branch that's dead, and if it fails, that might be one of your last mistakes. So it's nice to really emphasize the safety, and our teachers did a great job at that. With this industry, there's a lot of mechanical advantage that really allows you to work until retirement. But for me, in the next 10 years, I see myself moving as an arborist, but also as a consultant, being able to help mitigate hazards for urban areas, but also plant the appropriate trees in the appropriate spots. Like with urban developments, it's tougher to keep trees alive, and a lot of people don't really realize the benefits that trees have on our green spaces. So just to kind of be able to educate the public and show that we need to have a good combination of natural in urban environments and just the benefits that come along with it.